Hi my little kids. Today today once again I come with new videos uh, on grammar topic from English subjects. I hope all my little kids are fit and fine in this curious situation. Try to improve your immunity power every day. So look at the board carefully. Here on the board I wrote alphabet. Actually, alphabet has total 26 letters, and these letters are written in capital form and a small form. Look here, look at the board carefully. I wrote capital letter as well as a small letter together. Okay, this is capital form and that is a small form. Again, in the case of B also I wrote the capital B and a small b together. The letters are written in a capital form and a small form, but the capital letters has the same height, and small letter has among the small letters some letters are big in size and some letters are small in size, and these alphabets are written in a particular order. When some letters written here and there, then according to the knowledge of the alphabetical order, we can arrange them in their particular order. Step we come to know that alphabets are written in capital form and a small form, and the alphabets has total 26 letters. These all things we already learned in the class junior KG and the senior KG, but before starting the syllabus of the standard first, we will take a small recap on these topics. Okay, so after alphabet I'm going to give some explanation on the alphabetical order. Look at the board carefully. After looking, you come to know that the after A, B is written, and B after C, C after D, and D after E is written. This alphabetical order we follow whenever we start to write alphabets. Okay, we will see some more examples to clear our concept about the alphabetical in next step. We will try to clear our concept with the help of some examples that I wrote on the board. In number 1 I wrote the small letters, different small letters. In number 2 I wrote capital letters. In number 3 I wrote small letters, and in number 4 I wrote capital letters in left hand side, and I keep the right hand side blank. So according to basis of our knowledge about alphabetical order, we are going to arrange this letter in their alphabetical order on the right hand side. So start. In number 1, look at all the letters C, D, S, O. Among these, C will come first, then after D will come, after D O, and then after S will come on the last place. Like this, we are going to arrange the letters of number 2 on the right hand side according to their alphabetical order. Among these letters, G will come first. G after I after K, and K after B. I want to tell you one more things that if the letters written in capital form in right hand side, then we must be careful while writing on the right hand side on their form. If letters are in capital form, then on the right hand side they must be in capital form. If they are in a small form on the left hand side, then they must be in a small form on the right hand side. Okay, look at the 3 numbers letters. Among these letters, a small e will come first. E after among these letters B, small b, then after small e, small e after small n, and small n after small x. Now move to number 4 letters. Out of these letters, capital A will come first, A after F, F after H, and H after W. Okay. Step we try to clear our concept about the alphabet. In second step we try to clear our concept about the alphabetical order. Now in third step we are going to clear our concept about the vowels and the consonants. Actually the alphabet has 26 letters. They are in either capital form or in small form. Look at the board here. I wrote the small form. Out of this 26 letters, 5 letters are vowel and remaining 21 letters are consonants. So today we are going to find out the vowel letters among the 26 letters written on the board. So according to on the basis of our knowledge, we know that A is the first letter of the vowel. So we will circle to indicate it. A is the first letter of the vowel. Okay. A after D. E. E is the second letter of vowel. E after I is third letter of vowel. I after O is fourth letter of vowel, and O after U is the fifth letter of the vowel. So by circling we come to know that A, E, I, O, U, these all are the vowel. Okay, and these are the 5 letters of the vowel, and remaining are consonants. Okay, in next step we are going to take some more examples to clear our more our concept more about the vowel and the consonants. We clear our concept about the alphabet. In second step we clear our concept about the alphabetical order, and in third step we are going to clear our concept about the vowel and the consonants. Before a minute we find out the vowel letters out of the alphabet letters. Okay, and on the basis of that we know that A, E, I, O, U, these all are the vowel letters. Okay, so now with the help of some examples that I wrote on the board, we are going to clear our concept more. Okay, look at one number. Here I wrote the spelling of drum, and in second number I wrote the spelling of apple. In third number I wrote the spelling of crab. In fourth number I wrote the spelling of table. Okay, now look, first we see the spelling of drum, and we try to find out the vowel letters out of the spelling of drum. Here the spelling of drum is D-R-U-M. Out of the spelling of drum, U is the vowel. Okay, so we circle it, and the rest 3 D-R-M, these are consonants. We move to our second number examples. Here spelling of apple is written, and the letters are A-P-P-L-E. Okay, out of the spelling of apple, A is